Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with our new digital print for this week. So last week we had some speech bubbles in the roundish or ovalish shape and the rectangle shape, and this week we gave the shape some texture. So first you have the polka dots. So we have the circular shape, we'll call it, with polka dots. And I didn't print them all. For some reason, where we go to upload our files, it's not working today. It's not letting me in and keeps giving me errors, but I had downloaded quite a few of them. So I'll just show you what I did download and print. So again, we have with the polka dots in all of our colors, which I think it's like 13 colors. 13 or 14 colors, and then we have our sorted files, which is our Cozy Cafe, our seasoned spices. So I'll just show you the few that I did print. So that was light gray, we have green, we have pink, we have red. I think this is, I don't know if that's the mint or the turquoise. That's the turquoise. I can never tell unless they're side by side. So this is the mint, and it's an exclusive file. Little teaser for my patrons. This will be the file they'll get next Wednesday, is the polka dots. So then we have the yellow and the purple, and again we have it in our sorted files. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that for each file you get 2 in each file, and the reason for that is, I'll show you this one, the little speech bubble part. In one file you'll get that the speech bubble goes this way, and then that it also comes this way. So for purple you get 2 files, so that depending on how you want the speech bubble to go, you'll have both. Okay, so then now those also, the polka dots also come in the assorted files. I just didn't print them because I couldn't download them. And then the next type of speech bubbles we have is with the grid. So the only ones that I could print out were the ones for the assorted files, but it comes in all our colors too. So you can buy one file or you can buy bundles. So you can get all the bundles, so you get everything, or if you just want purple, you can just get purple. And then this is Cozy Cafe, and again you get 2. One speech bubble going this way, and then the other one. This is Pastel Paradise. Oh, love it. Love those colors. And then this is Seasoned Spices. Now, the same thing with the rectangles and squares. I was only able to, I downloaded this one yesterday. So it comes with the polka dots in all of our colors, and again each file you get 2 of them. And right now we're having a 50% off sale. We're just keeping it for a bit longer just because of everything that's going on. And I've had so many people email me and message me, you know, saying that they really appreciate it because, you know, times are tough right now. So, and then I did manage to print a few with the grids though. And so this is red and pink, brown, and then these are assorted colors. So this is Summer Carnival, this is Radiant Rainbow, this is Seasoned Spices, this is Cozy Cafe, and Pastel Paradise. And this one here I printed both, so you can know what I mean when I say that the speech bubble goes in a different way. So this one here, the little tail thing goes this way, and this one here, the little tail goes that way. So you get those 2 when you buy the Pastel Paradise, and it's like that with all the colors. And this is Radiant Rainbow. So this is a pretty big release. There's quite a few different files here because you have the grid and you have the polka dot, but you have it for all the colors. And then next week, I think we're going to have the different sizes on one sheet. So we're going to have, these are, you know, what we would call it's a little bit more than 2 inch, I think. No, it's 2 inches. So this is our 2-inch file. And then we always do like a smaller file so that you have different variety. And that will probably be coming next week. And I think he's also working on some stripes. But that's it. That is all the digital prints that are available this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.